Gimme 2 Minutes. My name is Loretta, and today we are going to talk about thesis statements. The thesis statement is the most important sentence in your essay, so it is really important that you understand exactly what it is. There are a few simple things to remember. Essentially, your thesis statement needs to answer the question, what am I trying to prove? Your answer to this should focus your thoughts into one or maybe two sentences that will let the reader know the topic of your essay and your position on that topic. Since your thesis statement basically offers a simple summary of what your essay is about, it should be found in your introduction paragraph. This way, it will immediately let the reader know what your argument is and what to expect from the rest of your essay. Placing your thesis statement in the introduction is also important as it acts as a guide for how the rest of your essay will be written. The claim that you make in this statement will need to be proven throughout your essay, which will detail the evidence and reasoning that led you to believe that your thesis is correct. But what exactly does a thesis statement look like? First of all, it needs to relate directly to the topic given for your assignment. As you will need to present your own position on this topic, your thesis statement should not just be a repetition of it or a factual statement. It should, however, be clear, concise, and specific. If it is too vague, your reader will immediately ask how or why, which should already be answered in a strong thesis statement. For example, the 1941 film Citizen Kane is a masterpiece would not be a good thesis statement, as it is too vague and does not present a clear argument. On the other hand, a specific, strong argument is made in this thesis statement. Orson Welles uses wide shots in Citizen Kane to reinforce Charles Foster Kane's loneliness by visualizing the distance of his physical separation from others. So, to recap, thesis statements are very important to your essay as they clearly introduce the topic and your perspective on it. They should be specific and appear in your introduction as they will guide the rest of your essay, which should set out to prove the claim that you make. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos and visit our website for more information.